You found a ball. Yay! What else can you find in there? Okay. Thanks. Well, let's take it apart in a minute. I see a book in there. Do you want to find the book? Gesundheit. Gesundheit.
It's here.
That's not a book. What is that? Can you tell what that is?
Pooh Bear.
This is Pooh Bear. Do you know what's in that container?
Pooh Bear.
It's a kite. It's a Pooh Bear kite.
Pooh Bear, stay out.
We'll take it out when we go to the park. It's kind of hard to take out when we're not at the park. It's big.
Take that off.
Well, that's the handle. I think we need that to stay there.
No.
Yeah, that's how we hold on to the kite. Is there anything else in there that you might want to look at?
In this house.
What's that? What is it?
The tree. Take it out. Jellyfish. Delicious.
What do you see there? Is that a lobster? Close it up. And let go.
Lobster. Octopus.
Another octopus.
Does it?
Close your side too.
Octopus. And an octopus.
Try again.
And an octopus. Octopus.
Alright, let's see what else is in there. Since this isn't really viewing you. Let's see what else is in the box.
Look at that.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off the video.